Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is our 10th chapter, that is friction. So students, do you have heard this word friction? What is that friction? Okay, before going to that chapter, I will tell one about that one example or things about related to this. Okay, so students, if you have that marble floor, if your house made by that, your floor is made by marble or that plates. Okay, while you are washing or cleaning that floors, what you are doing? You are just simply with the cloth with just whipping, or that your mother is doing with that. Yes. But have you seen that whenever you are cleaning or washing your marble floors, if you will keep little shampoo or surf like that, you cannot walk on that. It is very difficult to walk on that smooth surface. Why? What is the reason? Because of why? Because of the friction. Yes. Why you cannot walk on the smooth surface whenever it is having some like oil or like this? What is that smooth things like shampoo or anything, if it has filled on oil, then you cannot walk because that friction it is there very less. Okay, so students, what do you mean by friction? Friction means it opposes the motion of objects. Motion of the object. If an object is moving, then it will oppose. That is called as a friction. Okay. While we are driving that car or bike, anything, while we will keep that, press that brake, it will stay. Why? Because of friction. Because the tires and that surface contacting each other. Okay, and the tires are having that grip path. Okay, zigzag path tires, you have seen that. Okay, that zigzag path is helping for that putter to oppose the motion. Okay, that is called as also friction. Okay, so let us see students, what is the friction and what are the effects of friction, types of friction, and how that we will discuss in this video. But before that, in this chapter, what we are going to learn, what are that learning objectives we have to see. So see the students here, learning objectives. First of all, factors affecting friction. What are the factors are affecting? What are that main points, main things by that friction is affecting? Next, types of friction. How many types of frictions are there? What are the fluid friction? And what are the advantages and disadvantages of friction? What are the advantages and disadvantages of friction? Increasing and decreasing friction. फ्रिक्शन कैसे इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं और किससे डिक्रीज कर सकते हैं, we will discuss about that. So now, first of all, we should discuss about that. What is that friction? It is the force that opposes the motion of an object. What is that? It is friction. Friction is one force. It is one of the force. Okay, but it opposes the motion of an object. If one body is moving, why it is stopping? Because of the friction. Suppose you know the students, your cricket, while you are playing the cricket, the batsmen, what will they doing? Whenever batsman will hit that ball is moving, rolling on the ground, and it is moving. But why after some time it is staying on particular place? What is the reason? Because of friction. Because while that ball is moving, at that time the ground surface is opposing that. What is that force? Opposing that motion. That time whenever that it will become that zero, that time it will stay. Okay, so that is the main reason. It always act in the direction of opposite to that motion. Suppose students, if one ball is moving like this way, this is motion, then the friction is opposite. This is friction. That means it opposes to that motion, which direction that it is moving, that opposite direction that friction will act. Okay, so this is about that friction. So students, properties of friction. There are generally two properties. One is friction always opposes the motion. This is the friction one properties. क्या करते हो? इसका एक पहला का प्रॉपर्टी जो है धर्म है वो क्या है ना, इट अपोजेस द फ्रिक्शन ऑलवेज अपोजेस द मोशन. मोशन जो होता हो उसको बंद करते हो. ठीक है. दूसरा क्या होता है, नहीं तो जब फ्रिक्शन नहीं होगा तो सपोज हमें रनिंग कर रही तो रनिंग करते हमें खड़ा ही नहीं हो सकता. ओके. जो चीज रनिंग हुआ वो रनिंग से रहता हो. सो इसीलिए क्या होता, वो फ्रिक्शन, ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन वी कैन स्टैंड, वी कैन वॉक. Okay, and a running bus can stop due to the friction. Friction produces heat. Students, whenever you do like this, whenever that your two palms you do like this, you do. What you are feeling? You are getting that heat, because whenever the two contact, these two surfaces are contacting each other, and we are doing like this, we are pushing or rubbing hands or palms. Then what happening? It is producing heat. So friction, due to the friction, that because when I am pushing like this, it opposes another hand. So this is the friction. You observe that here I am doing this, palm is coming towards me. Okay. So this is, that means this is motion. This is opposing that motion. So one is force, it is applying for the motion. Another one force is opposing this motion. So this opposing motion is called as friction. And due to this, it is happening what? Producing heat. Factors affecting friction. क्या क्या कौन सा फैक्टर वो अफेक्ट कर रहे हैं? The force of friction depends on the nature of surface in contact. वो डिपेंड करते किसका ऊपर? जो सरफेस टच होता वो स्मूथनेस मोर और लेस. ओके. ये रफनेस और स्मूथनेस. So it depends upon the nature of the surface. मास ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट इन कॉन्टैक्ट, कितना वेट है वो, कितना मास है, उसका ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता फ्रिक्शन. ठीक है. सब मैं बोले अभी सपोज इफ रफ फेस, मतलब इरेगुलर फेस में तुम वॉक करेंगे तो सरफेस में वॉक करेंगे तो वेरी इजीली कैन वॉक. लेकिन तुम स्मूथ सरफेस में वॉक करने तो इफ लिटिल oil or that water is there also, or any liquid type of things, they are very difficult to walk on the smooth surface. Okay. So these are the main factors affecting to that friction. Okay students, next we will discuss about that what is that types of, how many types of frictions we will discuss in the next video. Thank you all of you students. Have a nice day.